Established in 2012, Purnima University is a private university located in Jaipur, Rajasthan. It has received an overall rating of 4.1 stars from students on Shiksha.com. How is the BBA course here? Let's find out in this detailed college review, starting with its placements rated 4.1 out of 5 stars. Students report that companies such as Genpact, EY, Urban Ladder, Accenture, Infosys, Deloitte, TCS, and others visited the campus for placements offering roles such as sales manager, marketing head, finance head, and HR. As per the official site, while the overall highest package offered was 30 lakh per annum, the average stood at 5.35 lakh per annum in 2024. The BBA students also shared that their average offers generally ranges between 4 to 6 lakh per annum. When compared to other Jaipur-based institutions like Jaipur National, Vivekanand Global, and JECRC, it is apparent that Purnima University packages are on par with those of other universities. For internship, students are offered both paid and unpaid opportunities with companies like Bajaj, 360 TF. About academics, Purnima University offers 6 3-year BBA specializations rated 4.2 stars by students, which can be extended to a 4-year program with options for honors or honors with research. The eligibility criteria vary by specialization, requiring a minimum of 50% to 75% in 10+2. Applicants for BBA in financial markets or BBA in startups and family business must also clear a written test and an interview. The annual course fees ranges from 82,000 to 1.25 lakh depending on the chosen specialization. The hostel charges meanwhile range from 90,000 to 1.4 lakh annually based on facilities provided. Scholarships are available for meritorious students and sports achievers, children of Purnima employees, and those from defense background. Moving on now to the 4.2 star rated infrastructure. Located on the sprawling 32-acre campus in Jaipur, the university ensures seamless accessibility for students with a fleet of buses running within a 50-kilometer radius. The campus features modern amphitheater-style classrooms, fully Wi-Fi enabled facilities, and advanced computing setups, including high-tech air-conditioned computer labs developed in collaboration with IBM. Students also have access to premium tools such as AWS credits, Google Workspace, Bluehost, and the NSE Trading Desk through Preverse, ensuring a cutting-edge learning environment. Additionally, academic resources include a well-stocked library, a center for research instrumentation and development, and a small meteorological observatory. Meanwhile, the sports facilities include synthetic basketball and tennis courts, volleyball courts, a football ground, table tennis, and separate gymnasium for boys and girls. The hostel accommodations are available in single, double, and triple occupancy, equipped with optional AC facilities, solar water heaters, refrigerators, and recreational amenities. While students find the hostel facilities decent, they highlight the need for better cleanliness and food quality. Additionally, the university offers medical facilities along with 24/7 security through CCTV surveillance. Turning our attention to faculty and course rated 4.2 stars. Students commend the support of faculty, noting the availability for academic and general assistance even beyond college hours. The curriculum blends theory with practical learning through assignments, tests, projects, role play, simulation games, and presentations while maintaining a mandatory 75% attendance requirement. Skill development programs such as CPBFI, powered by Bajaj FinServe, prepare students for roles in banking, insurance, and finance alongside regular industry interactions like guest lectures, workshops, and seminars to keep them updated on market trends. Practical exposure is enhanced through live projects and training with companies like Tata Motors, ICICI Prudential, and SBI Life, as well as industrial visits to Parle G, Jaipur Rugs, and Dainik Bhaskar. Specialized programs like BBA, CFA, CFP prepare students for level 1 of the Chartered Financial Analyst exams, while the BBA in startups and family business emphasizes entrepreneurship through case studies from institutions like Harvard, Babson, and Y Combinator. The Entrepreneurship Lab further nurtures startups, while value-added and capsule courses in market surveys, mutual funds, and taxation boost employability, ensuring that students are industry ready. Moving on now to Campus Life rated 4.1 stars. There are a variety of student clubs focusing on technology, culture, social media, public relations, ensure an event-packed experience. Major events include the annual Fest Lakshya and the Youth Festival Yogami. The Purnima MUN, that is the Model United Nations, provides students with opportunities to enhance their English proficiency, debating, public speaking, and problem-solving skills. Additionally, the university was the official partner for Rajasthan Royals IPL team this year, further enriching its dynamic campus atmosphere. Lastly, as for the rankings, Purnima University is currently unranked in the NIRF 2024 report. For more details on Purnima University Jaipur and to check out thousands of courses and college reviews, download the Shiksha.com app now. We would like to hear from you, so do drop in your comment below and don't forget to like and share this video.